Welcome back to Daily Dose of Parenting. Today we're going to talk about a topic that affects many children, common childhood fears. Understanding these fears can help us support our kids better and guide them through their anxieties. So let's dive into the 10 most common fears in children and how we can help them overcome these challenges, backed by scientific research. Fear of the dark, nyctophobia. The fear of the dark, or nyctophobia, is common in children and often stems from their imagination and limited understanding of the world. At night, familiar objects can appear strange and frightening in the dark, sparking anxiety. This fear is particularly strong in the early years when children are still developing the ability to distinguish between reality and imagination. Here are several strategies to help your child overcome this fear. Use a nightlight to create a gentle, reassuring glow in the room. Gradually reduce the brightness over time as your child becomes more comfortable. Establish a routine that includes calming activities such as reading a comforting bedtime story, taking a warm bath, or listening to soft music. Teach your child deep breathing exercises or guided imagery to help them relax before bed. Visualization exercises can involve imagining a peaceful place or a superhero protecting them. Allow your child to have a favorite toy or blanket that provides comfort and a sense of security. Praise and reward your child for small steps towards overcoming their fear, such as staying in their room with the light off for a short period. The fear of monsters, also known as Teraphobia, often accompanies the fear of the dark. This fear can be fueled by stories, movies, or a child's vivid imagination. Children in the pre-operational stage of cognitive development struggle with distinguishing fantasy from reality, which can make imaginary creatures seem very real and scary. These strategies can assist your child in overcoming their fear of monsters. Involve your child in a bedtime ritual where you check the room together for monsters, showing them that there is nothing to fear. Read stories that depict brave children overcoming imaginary fears, or friendly monsters who turn out to be nice. Encourage your child to draw or make monster spray, a spray bottle filled with water, to scare away any imaginary creatures. Ensure your child's bedroom is a safe and comforting space, free from any shadows or objects that could be misinterpreted as monsters. The fear of separation, known as separation anxiety, is particularly prevalent in younger children and can be very challenging during events like school drop-offs or bedtime. This fear is rooted in the child's attachment to their caregivers. You can use these strategies to assist your child in overcoming their fear. Develop a special goodbye ritual, such as a hug, kiss, or wave, to create a sense of security and predictability. Start with short separations and gradually increase the duration as your child becomes more comfortable. Allow your child to bring a favorite toy or blanket to remind them of home and provide comfort. Consistently reassure your child that you will return soon and keep your promises to build trust. Praise your child for brave behavior during separations and reward them with positive attention. Fear of being alone, or monophobia, is often tied to separation anxiety and fear of the dark. Children may feel vulnerable or unsafe when alone, especially at night. Providing gradual opportunities for your child to be alone in a safe environment, such as playing in their room while you are nearby, can help them build confidence. Reassurance and positive reinforcement when they successfully spend time alone can also be beneficial. Creating a comforting bedtime routine and allowing the use of a nightlight or comfort object can further reduce this fear. The fear of strangers, known as stranger anxiety, is a natural protective mechanism, especially strong during the first years of life when children are developing their sense of trust and safety. Here are strategies to help your child overcome this fear. Introduce new people gradually and in a calm manner, allowing your child to observe from a distance before interacting. Encourage positive interactions with strangers by involving trusted adults in fun activities or play dates. Practice different scenarios with your child, such as meeting a new teacher or playmate, to build confidence and familiarity. Teach your child the difference between safe and unsafe strangers, and provide clear guidelines on how to seek help if needed. Loud noises like thunderstorms, fireworks, or sirens can be overwhelming for children because they are sudden and unpredictable. The following tips can aid your child in facing and overcoming this fear. Explain the source of the noise in a calm and reassuring manner. For example, Describe thunderstorms as clouds bumping together, or fireworks as colorful celebrations. Create a cozy and secure environment during loud events by holding your child, providing a quiet space, or using noise-canceling headphones. Use desensitization, gradually exposing your child to loud noises in a controlled manner, starting with lower volumes and increasing as they become more comfortable. Teach your child deep breathing exercises or provide distraction techniques such as listening to calming music or playing with a favorite toy. Fear of animals, particularly dogs, is common in children and often stems from a lack of familiarity or a past negative experience. Here are strategies to help your child overcome this fear. Introduce your child to animals gradually, starting with observing from a distance and slowly moving closer as they become more comfortable. Arrange for your child to have positive experiences with calm and friendly animals, emphasizing gentle and respectful behavior. Teach your child about different animals and their behaviors through books, videos, and visits to petting zoos. Respect their boundaries and avoid forcing interactions. Follow your child's pace in overcoming their fear. Encourage them to express their feelings and provide reassurance. Many children fear doctors and dentists due to the unfamiliar environment and procedures, which can seem intimidating or even painful. Here are some tactics to assist your child in overcoming this fear. Prepare your child in advance by explaining what to expect during the visit and answering any questions they may have. Role-play the visit at home using toys or dolls to simulate the procedures and make them more familiar. Allow your child to bring a favorite toy or blanket to the appointment for comfort. Praise and reward your child for their bravery during and after the visit, providing positive reinforcement to build confidence. Fear of water, or aquaphobia, is often linked to unfamiliarity or a past negative experience, such as a fall or a near-drowning incident. Gradual exposure to water, starting with shallow areas and engaging in fun water activities, can help children feel more comfortable and confident. Swimming lessons with a patient and experienced instructor can also be beneficial. It's important to create positive and supportive experiences around water, ensuring that children feel safe and secure. Using flotation devices and staying close to your child in the water can provide additional reassurance. Demonstrate your own comfort and enjoyment of water activities to encourage your child to follow your lead. Fear of failure or rejection, known as a Nyctophobia, becomes more prominent as children grow older and become more aware of social dynamics and expectations. This fear can impact their willingness to try new things or take risks. Encouraging a growth mindset where effort and learning are valued over perfection can help children view challenges as opportunities rather than threats. Praising effort and perseverance, rather than just outcomes, can build resilience. Providing unconditional support and reassurance that failure is a natural part of learning can help children feel more secure in their abilities. Helping your child overcome their fears requires patience, understanding, and support. By providing reassurance and using gradual exposure techniques, you can help your child build confidence and resilience. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with other parents. Don't forget to subscribe to Daily Dose of Parenting for more tips, advice, and discussions on all things parenting. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Together we can empower our children to grow up with confidence and resilience.